Ding dong, Splash Mountain's dead, but fear not, it will live on in someone's living room as 4 ounces of water from Splash's last day sold on eBay for $117.
What?
Not only did it sell, but it was part of an auction, which means that multiple people kept outbidding each other for 4 ounces of water.
What?
You know, look, I'm gonna be honest. You know how we used to get mad at people who broke the rules and put their hands in the water on a water ride? Not anymore. I'll never look at those folks the same way again, because perhaps they're just a couple of young entrepreneurs trying to start a business, or maybe it's just a few people trying to pay some bills. On that note, welcome into episode 151 of Inside 300, your Disney News Flash in just 3 minutes. I'm your host, Brian Perry. We start with this story where some people are comparing the water to the value of the Fountain of Youth. Because yes, I said it before, multiple people actually bid on 4 ounces of water that was scooped up on the last day of Splash's existence in Walt Disney World. Remember, the ride is still operating in Disneyland and Tokyo. Also, it didn't include a certificate of authenticity. But I will say, the seller is reputable. I checked, and they listed the description as water from Splash Mountain on 1/22/23, the last day of the ride. We have a limited amount of 2. That's my favorite part. How do you only have 2? If this was the plan all along, how do you only have 8 ounces of this precious liquid gold? Should have brought milk cartons, gallons. I do have to applaud the business move here. Since then, check this out, a number of people are attempting to do the same. Who knows if these are real or not. Love this one. Got almost 10 bids, over 10 bids. It's just a Ziploc bag with water. Here's a water bottle. Talk about effort put in. A friend of mine did ask me, what do you do if you're one of these people who buys 4 ounces of Splash Mountain water? I said, hey pal, there's only one thing you can do. You drink it. Moving on, but sticking with Splash, footage of the last night of the ride's operation has gone viral after people saw how long the line was, reaching 220 minutes, which if you don't like doing math is over 3.5 hours. Guess we're just determined to hear Zippity Doo-Dah one more time. Here in this video, you can see a wall of managers and cast members blocking people from joining in after 11 p.m., which is when Magic Kingdom closed. Cast members ended up being the last ones to head down to the Briar Patch, rightfully so. I'll be honest, I went to the park, stood in line for about 5 minutes, didn't move, and decided I don't have any patience. I'd rather fly out to Disneyland and ride that one before it closes instead of waiting for another 3.5 hours. So I got up and rode the train in a circle, which was fun. By morning, construction walls were up and Splash was dry as the transformation to Tiana's Bayou adventure officially commences. And another note, Splash is officially gone from Walt Disney World park maps. Instead, there's the logo of the previously mentioned Tiana's Bayou adventure. That's going to do it for this episode of Inside 300. With that, we say bye-bye Splash, or should I say Bayou Splash.
It's perfect. Do you get my joke?
If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe. Click that bell icon. Hello, bell. This way you're notified every time we come out with brand new content. I've been your host, Brian Perry. I'll see you next time. If you bought the 4 ounces, please contact me somehow. I need to talk to you. We need to be friends. I need to see what you're doing with this. And if you're actually going to drink it, that'd be pretty cool. Until next time.
Bye-bye.